Hello everyone. In this video, we'll solve this problem based on the concepts of factorials. Now in this problem, we have to convert each expression into a single factorial term. Now before we get started, I just want to go over some basic concepts of factorials that will help us solve this problem. So as you may know, a factorial represents multiplying a number by all whole numbers below it all the way to 1. So that means 5 factorial can be written as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now one interesting thing about this expression is that 3 times 2 times 1 is also equal to 3 factorial, because 3 factorial means multiplying 3 by all whole numbers below 3 all the way to 1. So we can rewrite this as 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. Now we can combine 3 factorial by 4 and 5 to change it back to 5 factorial, because 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So this is the concept that we'll use to solve this problem. So let's start with part A. Now in part A, we are given 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 factorial. With 9, we have all whole numbers above it all the way to 12. That means if I have to expand this expression, it's also 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 all the way to 1, which can be converted to just 12 factorial. So this should be the final answer for part A. So now let's try part B. Now here we are given 72 times 7 factorial. Now we have to check if we can break down 72 into whole numbers greater than 7. So we know 9 times 8 is equal to 72. So we can rewrite this expression as 9 times 8 times 7 factorial, which can be expanded to 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times all the way to 1. This is a multiplication of all whole numbers from 1 to 9. So we can rewrite this as 9 factorial. So now we can analyze part C. Now in part C, we are not given numbers but expression in the form of a variable. Now again we can simplify this expression. So n stays the same, but we can expand this n minus 1 factorial. So we can expand it to n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3, and then all the way to 1. Because as I discussed earlier, so factorial means you start with the given number and multiply all whole numbers below it all the way to 1. So this becomes a multiplication series in which smallest number is 1 and the biggest number is n, and all of them are consecutive numbers. So that means we can rewrite this multiplication series as n factorial. So this should be the final answer for part C. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.